Well, it's a little snowy, but the tide is out. A lot different than last night. But we're still gonna give it a go. Brr. First coin of the day. A 1965 silver quarter. Nice. There's Wanda over there. Searching away. It's quite a snowy day, but still, silver's coming up, so we're having fun. Sweet. There it is. A penny. $1947. Neat.
Jeez.
Let's fill the scoop with snow and then put it in the car on top of my sneakers.
I would never do that.
You'd never do that.
Oh.
Oh my teeth.
Only on accident.
Oh my teeth. High maintenance. Tide comes in awful fast. Okay. We'll be back in 12 hours.
We went to another beach. Yeah. Ice. Ice as far as the eye can see. So we will not be detecting here today.
Look at that crazy fox walking across the ice. He's just a bootener. There he goes. Came from that little island right there. See it? There's a little island there. And you just walk across. And this is Pugwash. See the salt mine? Windsor salt. Neat. There's Wanda over there. You can't see her, but she's over there. And look what I just got. Where is it? There it is. Look at that. It's a silver quarter. Hooray for silver quarters. There's the young queen's head. I can't tell what date it is, but still silver coin in the middle of the night, because that's when the tide is low. Can you see that? I'm hoping for the best. And it's a ring. Looks like a cheapy ring. Cheapy ring is better than no ring. And my eyes are too cold. I can't tell if it's real or not. I can't read if there's any inscription. It feels too light to be real. And it's got some sort of, looks like some plating is coming off the back. So I'm going to say it's a junker, but still a ring in the middle of the night. Sweet. I just got a 1930 wheat penny. Sweet. Everybody Everybody likes finding $1 coins. It's been there for a while. Still, cool. Neat. 1957 nickel. That's pretty cool. There's Wanda over there. Still pretty cold. Snow is all gone though. Well, all gone from the beach, but not up there. Let's see what else we can find. There's an awful shiny penny from the 60s. Look at that. 1966. Bright and glistening. There's got to be a 1966 quarter out here. There's a penny. There's a quarter. Oh, my teeth. A key. This is all the stuff we got in 3 low tides. Thursday night, Friday morning, and Friday afternoon. We got 59 coins, the oldest of which is a 1921 wheat penny. One of these, I forget which one. Over here, over, come on over here. Right there. Ooh. Wheat pennies. Which is strange that we find so many wheat pennies in Canada. We've got these pennies. They look really old because they're all crusty and they're all shiny, but they're like from the 70s. Some of them are from the 60s. We got some quarters from the 70s and 80s. Wanda found this religious medallion. That's pretty cool. 3 rings. She found this little silver ring. This little 3/4 of a silver ring. And I found this little brass ring. We got 4 silver coins, 2 quarters from the 60s, and 2 dimes from the 60s.
And the golf balls.
And some super golf balls.
But we didn't get a spoon, so that kind of sucked.
Yeah,
I
well,
was looking forward to getting a spoon.
you can't really call it a metal detecting hunt without a spoon.
No.
We got this thing, which is a tip off of a soldering iron. And she found a soldering iron last week. We got this thing. It's a little weight, spinny thing for fishing. And she found this too. This is really cool. It's a watch winder, I think. With a little pokey thing that goes, ow, my eyeball! There's a cog from a thing that has 1 less cog now. A key. And that's it. Oh, and look at this. We found this ball. It's a shiv that somebody used to gank somebody and get out of prison. Ja, take that, blah. And there's a gun, a .22 rimfire. And that's it. Nothing super spectacular, but oh my god, it was fun. It was super fun with fun juice all over it. So, that's it. Hope you liked the video.
Show everybody my new camera.
Oh, the new camera.
Oh, look.
Oh, new camera.
It's kind of dirty already.
Well, of course it is. You were taking dirty pictures.
I paid, it was $59.99 with tax. And so far, it's not too bad. It definitely does not have the video quality of the camera we're using right now, or the GoPro, but it takes pretty good video. I'm happy with it.
It doesn't have a fisheye lens like the GoPro. Like the GoPro has the fisheye lens. This one is not. So, I like this one.
So, you'll see in the video on my shots. Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, we're done. I am so done. Let's eat pudding.
It has to be